We just picked up this whiteboard eraser kit from Loukin, and I'm pretty anxious to try it out because the last eraser we had did a pretty poor job and has left behind all of these black smudges, and I just couldn't take it anymore. So I picked up this kit, and not only does it come with the eraser itself, but it also, as a bonus, comes with whiteboard cleaner spray. So I'm really anxious to try that out and see if it'll do a good job on this, because it has been in pretty rough shape for quite a while. Okay, it's nice and lightweight. It's a little texture on the pad itself. Let's just first try it all by its onesie. And it doesn't do a fantastic job all on its own. It's going okay. I just had to put a little bit more pressure on it. However, I'm gonna try this and hope that this helps. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Or maybe I should have put it on the eraser itself. Oh yeah, that's much nicer. I mean, as I would expect it would be. It smells kind of like Windex. And, oh yeah. It's the little things. There we go. I'm really happy with that. This is drying now. I can see that it's got a little bit, I put a little too much cleaner on it. And there you have it. I mean, nice and simple, everything that you would want from it. The spray really helped a lot. And I'm really looking forward to using it because the old way I was doing it was not getting the job done at all. So I'm very happy with this, and I would recommend it.